You do not need to deal with underpowered brakes. One of the quickest ways to increase your bike's stopping power is installing a new set of brake pads, and using a more aggressive compound like this can really make a difference. Let's start by getting the caliper off of the bike as well as removing any clips or retaining pins. That way we can get the old pads out. Now, slide your new pads and spring into place, being careful not to contaminate them with finger oils along the way. Once that's done, you can replace the retaining pins and or clips and mount the caliper back into place. Be sure to check that alignment before you torque the bolts up, and that's exactly why